Wake up! The house is on fire!
Why won't you wake up? I'll put it out myself. Sweat counts as water too.
The fire's not out yet.
Cat litter can put out some flames.
The cat litter is all used up. Go, Squirtle! The fire's not out yet. There's still water in the dispenser. The water dispenser is empty.
I can smack the fire out with the pot. The pot is totally smashed.
There's still some water in the fish tank.
The fish tank doesn't have enough water.
Take this! Water ball attack! The fire's not out yet.
Wait, why is this a toy?
The fire's not out yet.
Good thing there's some soda. The soda is completely gone.
Why does it smell like barbecue?
We're on our way.
Why are there so many people here?